Nothing makes a home look more sophisticated than a classic wooden floor to seal the radiant deal, but that's too expensive, right? It's complicated, right? Wrong. We're at your service, here to ignite timeless elegance in your space in superior laminate in hardwood flooring. Just give us a call so we can chat about your requirements and we'll get to work with our plans. Our professional, dedicated team will install your floor to perfection, leaving you to get on with what matters the most, enjoying your time at your home. We never fail to provide the highest possible quality for the lowest possible price with uncompromised durability. The fact is, stunning flooring can be achieved with any budget. Our outstanding collection offers easy maintenance and lasting beauty. Get in touch today to find out more or to request a viewing of some of our jaw-dropping samples. Let your floor tell your story.